Can you make a living with wildlife photography? It might sound like a dream job, traveling to beautiful places, taking pictures of animals in their natural habitat, and getting paid for it. But the truth is, it takes more than just a good camera and a love for animals to turn wildlife photography into a full-time career. It takes patience, skill, and a plan to turn your passion into something profitable. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First off, let's talk about gear. Wildlife photography isn't just about having a camera, it's about having the right tools. If you want to capture animals in their natural environment without disturbing them, you'll need a telephoto lens. This allows you to take close-up shots from a distance, which is crucial for wildlife. Also, you'll want a full-frame camera. Why? Because it gives you better image quality, especially in low light. When you're out early in the morning or late in the evening, that extra quality can make a huge difference. Next, patience is key. Animals don't pose for pictures. They move, hide, and sometimes disappear altogether. You might have to wait for hours to capture the perfect shot. And during that time, it's important to stay quiet and blend into the environment. If the animals feel threatened or notice you, they'll run, and you'll miss the moment. The best wildlife photographers are those who are calm, observant, and willing to wait as long as it takes to get the shot they need. Now, to be a successful wildlife photographer, you need to study animal behavior. By learning the habits and routines of the animals you're photographing, you'll be better prepared to anticipate their movements. For example, if you know that certain animals are more active during dawn or dusk, you can plan your shoots accordingly. This understanding can help you capture rare, beautiful moments that other photographers might miss. The time of day is also important. Lighting plays a big role in wildlife photography, and the best lighting comes during the golden hours, early in the morning and late in the afternoon. The light is soft, which helps to avoid harsh shadows and adds a warm glow to your images. Shooting in the middle of the day can result in overexposed images and too much contrast, so it's better to plan your sessions around those optimal times. Another crucial tip: choose your location wisely. Not all places are equal when it comes to wildlife photography. National parks, wildlife reserves, and natural habitats where animals are plentiful offer the best opportunities. Research the area beforehand to understand which animals live there and during what season you're most likely to see them. While you're out there taking pictures, remember the importance of ethical photography. This means respecting the animals and their environment. Never get too close or disturb the animals just to get a shot. Not only is this harmful to the animals, but it can also ruin the experience for other photographers and visitors. Staying respectful will help preserve these amazing environments and ensure that wildlife continues to thrive. Once you've captured some great photos, it's time to think about how you'll present them. Building a portfolio is a must. Your portfolio is like your resume. It shows off your best work and helps you attract potential clients. Make sure your portfolio includes a variety of photos from different locations and species. The more diverse your collection, the more likely you are to impress others and land gigs. Speaking of gigs, marketing yourself is a big part of making a living as a wildlife photographer. Social media is your friend. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter are great places to showcase your work and connect with other photographers, potential clients, and even brands. You should be posting your best shots regularly and interacting with your followers to build a fan base. Another way to earn money is by selling stock photos. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload your photos, and when someone buys the rights to use one of your images, you get paid. It might not be a lot at first, but over time, these small sales can add up. Additionally, starting a photography blog can help you build your reputation. On your blog, you can share behind-the-scenes stories, tips, and tricks for aspiring wildlife photographers. This can help you grow an audience and bring attention to your work. Plus, you can use your blog as another platform to sell prints or promote your services. To gain more exposure, try entering photography contests. Winning or even placing in a competition can bring a lot of attention to your work. Some contests even offer cash prizes. Look for contests that focus on wildlife or nature photography to improve your chances. Conservation organizations are always in need of wildlife photos for their campaigns and educational materials. Reach out to them and offer your services. Not only is this a great way to earn some money, but it also feels good knowing that your work is helping to protect the animals and habitats you love. If you're looking to expand your reach, consider starting a YouTube channel. You can share behind-the-scenes footage of your wildlife shoots, review gear, or offer tips to new photographers. This helps you connect with a broader audience and can open up new revenue streams, like ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Licensing your photos is another way to make money. Licensing allows companies or individuals to pay for the right to use your photos, whether it's for marketing, magazines, or websites. This is a great way to earn passive income from your existing portfolio. As you grow your business, think about offering workshops or online courses. Many people want to learn wildlife photography, and they're willing to pay for a knowledgeable teacher. Whether in person or online, teaching others can become a significant source of income and helps establish you as an expert in the field. Another great way to make money is by offering guided photo tours. If you know a wildlife hotspot, you can guide groups of people to photograph animals in their natural habitat. This allows you to share your expertise while earning money from the tour fees. Networking is also critical in this field. Connecting with other photographers, editors, and industry professionals can open doors to new opportunities. Attend wildlife photography events, join photography forums, or engage with online communities to expand your network. Sometimes, knowing the right people can lead to job offers, collaborations, or paid projects. Speaking of events, attending wildlife-focused gatherings, such as safaris or conservation tours, can help you build connections and get more photography opportunities. These events often attract people who are passionate about wildlife and nature, making them great places to meet potential clients or collaborators. One thing you'll need to embrace is persistence. Building a career in wildlife photography doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. You might not see immediate success, but if you keep at it, things will begin to fall into place. Another key to success is to diversify your offerings. Don't rely on just one source of income. Sell prints, teach classes, offer tours, and sell stock photos. The more streams of income you have, the more stable your business will become. This also helps if one source of income slows down during certain times of the year. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Photo Tech Guy, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Now, let's get back to the video. Before I forget, check out the links in the description for amazing cameras and more. Now really, back to the video. For photographers who want to offer something special, you could offer exclusive experiences. For example, offering nighttime photo shoots or rare animal encounters can draw in premium clients who are willing to pay more for a unique experience. It's all about giving people something they can't get anywhere else. When working as a wildlife photographer, it's essential to understand licensing and copyright. Always make sure to retain the rights to your photos and understand how to license them properly. This protects your work from being used without your permission and ensures you get paid for its use. Finally, make sure to stay updated with trends in wildlife photography. New techniques, gear, and trends come and go. Keeping your work fresh and up to date will help you stay relevant and in demand. Whether it's new editing techniques or a trend in storytelling through images, staying on top of these changes will keep your work competitive. Adaptability is another important quality. Sometimes animals won't cooperate, and weather conditions might not be ideal. Learning how to adapt and make the most of the situation will help you in the long run. Even if you don't get the shot you were hoping for, there's always something valuable to take away from the experience. By following these steps, you can start turning your passion for wildlife photography into a full-time career. It won't be easy, but with the right skills, patience, and business sense, it's definitely possible to make a living doing what you love.